Excel Space Exploration and Research, ESER. Batch of 2025 NASA Explorers. Congratulations to the batch of 2025 Excel Explorers at NASA.
At Excel, we believe that nurturing curiosity and scientific inquiry from an early age leads to extraordinary discoveries. With this vision, the Excel Space Exploration and Research program was launched to ignite our students' passion for space science and exploration. Our journey began in 2013 with the inauguration of the Excel Space Observatory, a landmark event graced by Dr. James Riley, a NASA astronaut. Since then, the observatory has become a vibrant hub of astronomical learning where students have engaged in solar black spot monitoring, planetary observations, and lunar crater studies. That same year, a pioneering group of 9 students had the rare opportunity to visit NASA, where they interacted with leading scientists, explored various research departments, toured the rocket garden, viewed iconic exhibits, and visited the historic launch pad. In 2014, a second group of 13 students continued this journey of discovery with another enriching NASA experience, diving deeper into the world of space engineering. By 2015, an enthusiastic batch of 17 students explored advanced concepts in aerospace and research during the NASA tour, further anchoring Excel's commitment to experiential space education. In 2019, we were honored to host Dr. Don Thomas, veteran NASA astronaut and scientist who has conducted over 450 hours of experiments aboard the International Space Station, the ISS. His inspirational interaction with our students offered first-hand insights into the life of an astronaut and the scientific endeavors aboard the ISS. The year 2020 was pivotal for ESER. We proudly welcomed Dr. K Sivan, former chairman of ISRO, whose visit underscored our mission to make space learning accessible and inspiring for young minds. That same year, we launched nano certificate courses in space studies, opening new pathways for hands-on learning and allowing students to simulate real-world space science challenges within our own campus. In 2021, we were privileged by the visit of the Honourable Minister of Education, Government of Tamil Nadu, whose words of encouragement validated our ongoing efforts to provide futuristic and globally connected education. In 2024, Excel celebrated its first National Space Day in the esteemed presence of Dr. Tessie Thomas, widely known as the Missile Woman of India. Her story of grit, innovation, and leadership in India's defense and space programs left an indelible impact on our students and faculty alike. Looking ahead, on May 8, 2025, ESER is thrilled to offer yet another extraordinary opportunity with the generous support of the American Consulate General of Chennai. 18 students and 2 faculty members from Excel have been selected through a rigorous interview process for a 10-day intensive space training program at NASA, Florida, USA. This immersive experience will include hands-on activities, direct interactions with professors, and visits to specialized space departments at the University of Central Florida. We remain deeply grateful to our partners, supporters, and visionaries who have empowered this journey. ESER stands as a shining testament to Excel's mission of preparing students for a future without boundaries on Earth and beyond.